There's so much going on about Beirut, city of Lebanon, and on today's video, I've compiled a few facts about this city. So here is all you need to know about Beirut, city of Lebanon. Beirut is the capital city of Lebanon. Lebanon is located in Asia, which is in the Middle East. Lebanon borders Israel and Syria, which all form a coastline of the Mediterranean Sea. Beirut is the largest city in Lebanon. Greater Beirut is the third largest city in Levant region of Asia. It's also the 15th largest city in the Arab world. Area in kilometers squared is equals to 19.8 kilometers. Its metropolitan area is 67 kilometers squared. No recent population census has been conducted since 2007. However, the estimated population as of 2020 is between 1 million to 2.2 million people. Jama Itan is the serving mayor for Beirut city. Jama Itan is the serving mayor for Beirut city. A large blast in the Lebanese capital Beirut has killed 70 people and injured more than 4,000 others, as per the health minister of Lebanon. Videos show smoke billowing from a fire, then a mushroom cloud following the blast at the city's capital. Officials are blaming highly explosive materials stored in a warehouse for about 6 years. President Michael Aoun has said that it was unacceptable for improper mishandling of explosive materials. Meanwhile, Lebanon's Defense Council is underway to find the exact trigger for the explosion. Hospitals are said to be overwhelmed and many other buildings destroyed. President Aoun has declared a 3-morning period while investigation is still underway. Hopefully, those responsible will face the law. Thank you so much for getting towards the end of the video. I'm leaving you with a few pictorials of Beirut city. If you're new here, please consider clicking the subscribe button to receive more videos like this. You can also go to our info playlist to watch more videos like this, which are inspirational and educational. This video was meant for educational purposes and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to join the clan.